Okay, before we get into Nepal, I thought it'd be cool to highlight parts of our time in Hong Kong. With a 12-hour layover, Michelle and I decided to do a bit of exploring. So, we hopped onto the Airport Express, and 24 minutes later, we were in the city center. Up first, breakfast. After breakfast, we walked over to the waterfront, found a bench, and took in some sights as we waited for the observation wheel to open. So we're about to go on the observation wheel, and that's the line to purchase tickets. There is so much more Hong Kong has to offer, so we're hopeful that we can return to check out all of the places that were recommended to us. With plans to meet up with my APT colleague May Rose, we made our way back to the airport. Fortunately, we planned to spend our remaining layover time at an airport lounge where we could pass time comfortably. Up next, we travel to Nepal.